Hey guys, it's Typically Taya. With quarantine comes self-sufficiency. We've all been relying on people to do our hair or our eyebrows, any other kind of beauty service just right there when we need them. And so a lot of us are suffering right now. I mean, I know you've seen the memes all over Instagram, like this is what we're gonna look like. Nobody can judge anybody's eyebrows or lashes or nails right now. So with all of that being said, I'm going to help some of you guys out, or at least try to. In this video, I'm going to show you how to shape your own eyebrows. As you can see, I am too suffering from quarantine brows. So when shaping my eyebrows, there are a few things that I like to use. I use 1, brow scissors, 2, spoolie, 3, I tweeze my brows. It is okay to tweeze, it is not okay to over tweeze. Brow shaper, so it's like a little razor kind of thing. I'm also going to be using the oval brush that's at the end of the Fenty Brow MVP. Okay, so let me zoom in so you can see exactly what I'm doing, and let's get my quarantine brows taken care of, and hopefully you can get yours taken care of too. To start off, I'm using a spoolie to brush my eyebrow hairs back. This allows me to place them in a desirable arch and also shows me where my brows need the most work. Once I'm finished with that, I begin using my tweezers. As I said earlier, be careful not to over tweeze or irritate your skin too much, but this helps to get those unruly hairs that just won't seem to go away. Now I'm brushing my brow hairs with a spoolie again, but this time I'm brushing in an upward motion to see how long my brow hairs are. Now I'll take my scissors and cut. Using light and quick motions, I'm now going to take my brow shaper to clean and sharpen the outline of my brow. The last thing that I'm going to do is I'm actually just going to brush them a little bit more with my Fenty Brow MVP oval brush. So I just want to kind of just make sure that I got all the hairs that I wanted and that my eyebrows are laying the way I want them to. And then guys, I'm going to zoom out so you can see what my brows look like. So as we can tell, my brows are in a much better place than when I started this video. I also want to let you know that when your eyebrows are shaped, it is easier for you to fill them in. Because a lot of the time when you shape your eyebrows, you give yourself the desired arch you want, which makes it easier when filling in your brows. So make sure if you like your eyebrows thick, you keep them thick. If you like them thin, you keep them thin. I specifically cut my eyebrow hairs down because number 1, they grow extra long. And number 2, I find it more difficult for me to fill in my eyebrows when my eyebrow hairs are long. Please remember to always do your eyebrows the way they fit you. I know that I'm personally going to feel better about my eyebrows when I step in front of the mirror. Although I'm not going anywhere, I know that I'm going to feel better about myself. With that being said, if you have not already, please subscribe to my channel. Share with your friends who are in quarantine right now and have been complaining about their eyebrows, because you know what? You can do it yourself. Thanks for watching.